Welcome to The Mind, the Cure Protocol for July 28, 2026. No newly verified patient reaching milestone in this pass has reached care, so we will not pretend otherwise. We are following what changed in the evidence, what new research it opens, and what still needs proof before it can help anyone. This protocol is a living loop. People bring the questions that matter. Direct evidence changes the map. The source ledger remembers what we have already seen and checks the original date before calling it new. Every signal ends with one practical next action, the experiment, validation, collaboration, or care decision that could move it closer to real benefit. AbelZeta Pharma announced FDA clearance under its RMAT designation for a multiple-center registrational phase 2 trial of CAR-168, an anti-CD20 BCMA bispecific CAR-T, in refractory lupus nephritis. For people with refractory lupus nephritis, this opens a registrational phase 2 test of a bispecific CAR-T. It is not approved care. Regulatory clearance opens a trial. It does not establish clinical benefit or make CAR-168 an approved treatment. Next, measure CAR-168 safety, efficacy, and durability in the cleared phase 2 lupus nephritis trial. CSL announced positive top-line phase 3b results for ANDEMBRY, garadacimab-gxii, in children aged 2 to 11 with hereditary angioedema, supporting planned regulatory filings for an expanded pediatric indication. For families of children aged 2 to 11 with hereditary angioedema, this is a pediatric phase 3b readout supporting a future filing, not an approved under 12 indication. Top-line results can support a filing, but the under 12 indication remains unapproved until regulators review the full evidence. Next, publish the full pediatric ANDEMBRY data and test whether regulators support the proposed expanded indication. Revagenix announced that it has dosed the first participant in its phase 1 trial of Rev56, an inhaled therapy designed to target chronic Pseudomonas aeruginosa in non-cystic fibrosis bronchiectasis, a major driver of inflammation, exacerbations, and progression. For people with non-CF bronchiectasis, Rev56 has entered phase 1 to test an inhaled anti-pseudomonal approach. Benefit has not been established. Dosing a first participant proves the trial started, not that Rev56 is safe or effective. Next, establish Rev56 safety, tolerability, and pharmacokinetics before asking whether it helps bronchiectasis patients. The practical read is simple. These are signals, not promises. But each one is a concrete target that researchers, clinicians, engineers, funders, and the people most affected can connect to a next step. Keeping the evidence visible is how the cure protocol stays current without pretending the work is finished.